Hello everybody, let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on negative note today. It made an attempt to enter into positive territory, however it couldn't sustain there. Consequently, it has fallen back towards its 20 DMA. However, it has taken support there and has posted a close above 20 DMA, which is close to 5686. Daily momentum indicator is trading with a bullish bias. Overall, short-term trend for Nifty remains bullish. As long as Nifty trades above its recent high, that is 5582, we maintain our short-term bias up for a target of 5815, which is its previous high. Moving on to detailed structure, this is hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we can see that Nifty has, after first leg of the fall, formed a three-wave pullback, and then it has formed next leg on the downside. So far, it has retraced 50% of the entire rise, and it can come down till 60%, which is close to, it can come down till 61.8%, which is close to 5660. However, overall trend remains bullish, and we maintain our target of 5815 from short-term perspective. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty is overall moving up in a channelized manner. It had taken support near lower end of the channel and 40 DMA and Delhi lower Bollinger Band. From there it had bounced up, however it couldn't surpass Delhi upper Bollinger Band. From there it has again fallen towards 20 DMA and the lower channel line. As long as these crucial supports hold, Bank Nifty is also expected to move up from short-term perspective. Daily momentum indicator can take support near the 9-period moving average. So we maintain our bias up in Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports are 11,419 and 11,202. Crucial resistances are 11,795 and 11,996. We'll now have a look at couple of stocks that are looking bullish from short-term perspective. This is hourly chart of ITC. On the hourly chart, we can see that it has formed a bullish flag pattern. It has taken support near lower end of the pattern as well as near 40 hourly and hourly lower Bollinger Band. So this stock can move up from short-term perspective. Once it breaks out on the upside, it can move up till 292, 300. On the other hand, crucial supports are 286 and 280. The next stock is Dr. Reddy's. This is also hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we can see that it has formed a triangular pattern, and currently it is trading near lower end of the pattern. And unless the lower trend line breaks, this pattern is also expected to break on the upside. And once broken out, Dr. Reddy's can move up till 1800 and 1860, and crucial supports are 758 and 710. Thank you.